What if I told you that your graphic design skills could turn into a real income stream, even if you're just starting out? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with graphic designing, step by step. First, master one high income skill. Don't try to design everything. Focus on something businesses actually pay for, like logo design, social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, or ad creatives. The more specific you are, the easier it is to get clients. Second, build a simple portfolio. You don't need paid clients to start. Create 5 to 10 high-quality sample projects. Redesign real brands. Show before and after examples. Make your work look professional and results-driven. Third, start freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great for beginners, but don't rely only on them. Reach out directly to small businesses on Instagram and LinkedIn. Send short, personalized messages offering value, not just, "I'm a graphic designer." Show them how you can improve their brand. Fourth, price smart. In the beginning, focus on building proof and testimonials. Then gradually increase your rates. Remember, businesses don't pay for design, they pay for results. If your designs help them get more clicks, sales, or followers, you can charge more. Fifth, create multiple income streams. Sell design templates on Etsy. Create social media packs. Offer branding bundles. You can even sell digital products or teach design basics once you gain experience. And finally, treat it like a business. Improve your communication. Deliver on time. Over-deliver when possible. Happy clients bring repeat work and referrals and that's where real money is made. Graphic design is one of the most powerful online skills today. With consistency, smart positioning, and continuous improvement, you can turn creativity into cash.